How to make Tearout. Let's dive in. Tearout is all about aggression, energy, and over-the-top sound design. Here's how to make it step by step. Start with a punchy kick and a very pronounced clap or snare. The kick should hit around 100 Hz, and the snare, make sure it cuts through with a sharp transient. Now, the bass. Load up Serum or Vital and create a gritty, growling sound. For that tear-out growl, try automating the wavetable position and filter cutoff using an LFO with irregular timing. Want it to sound even heavier? Add frequency shifters, bit crushers, or even granular effects to make the bass unpredictable. Layer multiple sounds, one for the lows, another for the mids, and a third for those crispy highs. Tearout's groove is key. Add stutters, triplets, and fills to keep the listener engaged. Use reversed snares, glitch effects, and pitch automation to spice it up. Create space in your mix. Use short reverbs on fills and automations to create movement without muddying the bass. Remember, tight and clean mixdowns are everything in Tearout. Put it all together, and here's what you get. That's the basics of making Tearout dubstep. Experiment with your sound design. Subscribe for more.